guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 2 days since my vlogmas ended and I really miss vlogging. I really miss you guys. So anyway, I got this new palette in and I wanted to do a look for you guys. So the palette is the Melissa Michelle Ulta Beauty collaboration. Melissa Michelle is a YouTuber on here and I've been following her for a very long time. I want to say maybe like 6 years. And this is her right here. She is so beautiful and she is like, you know, the OG. She has been on YouTube for a very long time, and when I found out about her was through Nicole Guerrero a long time ago when they did like the swap where they get each other like gifts, like they had like a limit or whatever. I remember that video like so long ago. But she had came out with a collaboration with Ulta last year and I didn't get to get my hands on it, and I was really sad, and I went all the time trying to find it and trying to look for it, and I just couldn't grab my hands on it. So she came out with another one, and on her recent video she said that this was on sale for $10. They had it online because I've been going to my Ulta and they didn't have it on stock, so I went and I ordered it and I got it pretty quick and pretty fast. So this is called the Bling on the Glam eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. Now the mirror is really big, and this mirror is really big, and it says Bling on the Glam. And then these are the colors, which I think they are really nice and pretty. Now I know these aren't my normal colors. Usually I go for like really bright colors, yellows, blues, greens, oranges type of thing, but I really like it. I always like try to support like all the YouTubers that I watch, like why not? But I just really wanted to try this palette out. So these are the colors that it comes with, and then you have 3 shimmer shadows. Then you have a brush, which normally the brush I won't use just because of the point, which I guys will show you guys right now. It kind of reminds me of old school, like the drugstore makeup brush. So that's the only thing that I don't like about this is I won't use this. Just I don't like the brush on it. But other than that, hold on, let me put this back. And then this really cute eyeliner, which is I have on the bottom of my lashes. And yeah, so if you guys want to see, look how those swatches are. Like, they're just so pretty. I have an orange, and I said ask me why my nails were orange underneath, guys. I had orange acrylic before, and then like as they broke or whatever, I just replaced them with regular like nail tips, and this one is still good to go, so that's why it's like that. But anyway, off the subject. And then like this really pretty like shimmery color. Like these are really pretty colors if you are more like of this type of palette, or these are what you normally would wear, or if you have like a team like I do where they, you know, they're into makeup and they don't want to wear like something way out there. This is a really good palette. You can put this palette for prom, you can put it for homecoming, you can put it for what's coming up, graduation, quinceañeras, weddings, everything that's going on right now. I know because my daughter was in one in November, and now she's in another one in January, and then hers is in May, and it's just a bunch of things now that she's in high school. It's just she has something to do all the time. So like this is a really cute palette. Now if I don't, to be honest with you, I don't know if I'll be grabbing to this palette a lot just because, like I said, I'm a very colorful person, but I really do like the way this came out. So you never know. Plus, I know Added Destiny really like this palette. So being the mom that I am, I'll probably end up putting it in her little brand new vanity that I got her. So I don't know, but I really am excited for this palette, to be honest, to try it out, to see if it's good. Does it swatch good? Does it apply good? Does it glitter good? Like, I mean, we need to know, right? So if you want to know how I did this look, or if you have the palette, you want to see a look with it, or whatever the case is that brought you to my channel, please stick around, sit down, grab a snack, watch, or do your makeup with me. Let's do our makeup together. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, because it is free. You're already here, might as well. I'll wait. Did you do it? I hope you guys did it. And yeah, let's get this video started. I don't know what colors I want to use. I kind of do want to use this gold here, but I think for the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one right here. That is in Boo Bears. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this light brown, like a, I don't know, I ran out of like eyeshadow primers. I've been using the Shape Tape concealer to prime my eyelids. I need to go get me another one. I'm going to the city in a minute, so maybe I'll just go by there and pick up one. But wow, I thought this was going to be a little bit more nudie. It's like more of a pink. So we're going to try this out. It's really cute. I should show you at the beginning of the video. But yeah, I love this. Is probably for sure something that I'm so excited about, this liner. This brush, it reminds me of an old type of brush. I'm not going to use that obviously, but yeah. Next I'm going to go in with these Oi, I think it's called, or OY, or this one right here. It's like a more pinkish color. I was looking for more of like a different, like a brownish, but it doesn't have it. This is a really pretty color. So I'm just going to use the same brush that I was using and just kind of do the edge of it and just bring it in. So far they are pigmented. The shadows do blend really well. So that is a plus. So they are, I mean, this palette is still available, guys, if you guys want this palette, like if these are your colors and stuff. And guess how much? You ready for this? Ready for this? I think I've told you at the beginning, but it's $10. So you cannot beat that. I think regular price was $20. It still ain't that bad either way. But Piper, do you have your toy? I bought her Nightmare Before Christmas toys for Christmas, so she's I'm gonna cut the crease, but I'm gonna do it like the fastest way, and what that is, because I do want to use some of the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the NYX glitter primer. I talked about this in one of my videos on how to cut the crease like really fast, like easy putting glitter. You don't have to do all this. So I'm just gonna use my little flat brush that came with the Supernatural palette. That's on Hot Topic. That is a really good palette. So I'm just gonna put the glue. And just like if I'm gonna cut it, you need to cut it. And I'm just gonna put that on like that. Now these shimmers, I'm a little scared of them because I'm hoping that they are good, because I was trying to swatch it and it was not swatching great. So we're gonna go ahead and use this little small one from Jaclyn Hill Morphe, number 42. And I think what I'm gonna do is go in with Manifest. Hello, April. Manifest, this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that one up, and hopefully. Oh, it's like chunky, but it's working after you move the brush around several times. Like you would literally have to do this like several times to get the product. So I'm just tracing over what is wrong with my throat, where I put the glue at. So this is like a really cute, like a New Year look also. It's just really pretty. Wow, it really is pretty. It's really chunky at first, like when you get it and you're just kind of like, what the heck? But you have to like do like maybe like twice and then apply it, and it looks really nice. It looks like, oh, New Year's. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and be right back. So the other eye is done, the lashes are done. This one's giving me a little bit of hard trouble with the eyeliner. I think because I'm running out of eyeliner. So I need to go buy more eyeliner. I need to go buy a bunch of other stuff. That's because I just got stuff for Christmas. But that video is coming up to what I got for Christmas. So if you guys want to see that out. So I really wanted to put this liner, but I have so much going on. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to the bottom. I used to do this like a long time ago. So that's what we're going to do. And then I need to add some highlight. So I'm going to go ahead, because this is what it says, liquid liner. It says Dang is the name of it. And I don't know. I used to do this a long time ago with glitter liners. I haven't done this in a long time. Dang, that's what it's called. So you kind of add like a little bit of a pop. This is so good for like New Year's, or if you're going to a party, you're going wherever. This is so pretty. I think I found the perfect palette for Destiny that she's in a quinceañera in January, and the dresses will match this palette, or this palette will match their dresses. This is so pretty. I love this eyeliner. So there you see, it gives it like a little pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlight on, and I think for the highlight, put some highlight on. And for the highlight, I'm gonna go in with none other than the e.l.f. on Heart one. I love this highlight, guys. Like, you need to try to get your hands on this on the website. It's not expensive. I think it's like $8, and it's in collaboration with Heart. She is a really good YouTuber, and yeah, I love this highlight, and I need to order me another one before they don't have it anymore. It's just so pretty. And I just kind of mix both colors together, because you have one in case for like a darker skin tone, this one for like fair skin, but if you mix them both together, I'm telling you, it's so pretty. Piper. Okay, so now that that highlight is done, for the lips, I kind of want like a burgundy or light color, or like a deep pink, which I think I'm going to do this one because I'm all about color. Remember, I don't really like natural eyes, and this is as natural as it's gonna get. So I added the glitter. So this one is I can't even see. This is from Jeffree Star, Masochist, and I'm gonna put this. This is the final look, guys. I really like this look, and I really like the way it came out. I think it's just so pretty, and yeah. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have this palette, or if you want to pick it up, now is the time, because it is $10. You cannot beat that. And if you already have Ulta points or whatever, it even makes it even cheaper. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to notify for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.